Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 super useful household products you didn't know you needed. These are things that help keep my home cleaner, more organized. They make my life easier and you definitely need to know about them. So I hope this gives you some ideas on ways that you can better your home and your lifestyle. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And I want to give a huge thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. I love finding ways to better organize different drawers and cupboards around my kitchen, and this drawer needs a lot of work. Let me know down below in the comments if you also have a drawer that's filled with plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and parchment paper. If so, you need one of these organizers. This can hold plastic wrap, foil, and wax paper, and it actually has the built-in slicer. So you can just fill this up with all of your rolls. It has a little magnetic siding, so you can just pop that right off, fill up your organizer, and everything looks tidy and clean. I love that it's clear so you can see exactly how much of the product you have left, and it's something that you don't have to take out of the drawer to use. Since it all functions from the top, you can just open your drawer and use it like that. This can be mounted to a wall or put into a drawer. I have mine in my drawer with the little feet on it so it doesn't slide around and you can use it really easily. I love that this creates a little station in your kitchen. It doesn't create more clutter, it actually keeps things tidier, and it looks great. If you have a small kitchen and wash your dishes by hand, you definitely need this collapsible drying rack. This is a full-size drying rack that actually collapses down to be completely flat so you can fit it into a drawer. This comes with the collapsible drying rack and this little tray underneath that catches all the water. This is the perfect functional piece for anybody that's lacking storage space in their kitchen but needs those necessities to clean their dishes. Sometimes having a drying rack on your countertop at all times can start to look cluttered and messy, so this is the perfect solution to be able to pull it out from a drawer, hide it away when you need to, and it takes up very minimal space. I think one of the most difficult parts about making your bed is getting on that fitted sheet. If you struggle with fitting your sheet on your bed, lifting your mattress up, getting your fingers stuck inside, you definitely need the tucker. This is just a bed making tool and it really makes making your bed and putting on those bed sheets so easy and quick. You don't have to lift your mattress up, a kid could use this, and it definitely saves your fingernails from getting ruined. So I absolutely love this little bed tucker. You can use it with one hand and it just makes making your bed and getting on that fitted sheet so much easier. I even use it to tuck blankets in to really make my bed super tight and secure. So if you want to make making your bed even easier, you definitely need one of these tuckers. If you want to make the inside of your kitchen cabinets look a little bit more elevated and custom, you can actually install these little battery-powered stick-on motion detector lights. These turn on when the doors open and turn off when the doors are closed. So they really give off a nice glow at night so you can see exactly what you're looking for. You don't have to turn on all your kitchen lights. These take little AAA batteries and they have a little stick-on backing, so you can just remove them and move them around as needed. They have an on and off switch and this little magnet control. This is the piece that really controls the light. So you can stick that onto a door. When it's separated from the light turns on. You can stick these on cupboard doors, drawers, or even doors around your home if you need a little extra light here and there. I love the way this looks when the door opens up and it really allows all of your dishes to shine and glow. So if you're looking to add a little bit of an extra detail to your kitchen that's renter friendly, this is just the solution for you. If you're someone that reaches for a certain beverage every day, maybe you have kids wanting drinks, maybe you're not strong enough to lift bottles out of the fridge, I found just the solution for you. You can ditch the normal cap and actually install these little electric beverage dispensers. These fit on pretty much any bottle size. They have a silicone lid and they're battery powered. So you install the 2 batteries and you have an instant electric beverage dispenser. You don't have to take any bottle out of the fridge. You can use it straight from there and there's no lifting and no spills involved. I love the way this functions. It actually makes it really fun to make a drink, and they make a perfect self-service station. Maybe if you're hosting people, this would be just the solution to really make hosting that much easier. If you're tired of grocery shopping and coming up with meal ideas, you definitely need to check out HelloFresh. HelloFresh delivers fresh, quality produce from the farm to your door in less than a week, so you can savor summer flavors right from home. HelloFresh won't get in the way of your busy day. Everything is organized and ready to go. Stay on track with simple recipes, fresh, pre-portioned ingredients that cut out meal prep and trips to the grocery store. They offer veggie, pescatarian, fit, and wholesome meals to make it easy to stick to your goals. I find it so much easier to eat healthy when I have meals and ideas ready to go like this. They provide you with the exact amount of ingredients that you need so that nothing goes to waste. They even give you all the dressings and seasonings you need to make it taste so good. I'm making these little turkey Greek lettuce cups, and these are probably my favorite thing to eat now. I'm obsessed with them. I work from home, my schedule's pretty busy, so I really like to have meals on hand that taste really good. So I absolutely love these. Go to HelloFresh.com and use code KristenM16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. Trust me, this will save you so much time and money. So go to HelloFresh.com and use code KristenM16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. If you're in need of a little strainer for your kitchen, but you don't want something that's going to take up as much space as this, you definitely need this little clip-on silicone strainer. This is the perfect solution for any small kitchen that's lacking storage space. It clips on to any bowl or pot of any size and turns it into an instant strainer. You can move this around from bowl to pot and use it as you need. I love a good space-saving product, and this is definitely it. This takes up very minimal space in your kitchen. It's not going to scratch your dishes, and you can get rid of the unnecessary bulk and swap it out for something small and slim like this. Now onto a little bathroom hack. If your toothpaste looks something like this and it gets messy and sticky, or you might be losing your toothpaste cap, you definitely need to swap it out altogether for this self-closing cap. These are little silicone caps that pop right onto your bottle and they self-close. So they open up when you squeeze the bottle and completely seal off to really keep your toothpaste bottle clean and fresh. No more crusty, hard mess on top of your bottle. You can keep it super clean with these little caps. You can pop these on any of your existing toothpaste bottles, and it's just that little detail that's going to help clean up one part of your bathroom. If you're packing to-go snacks, lunches, or packing up leftovers, you definitely need these little bag openers. These make it so easy and quick to fill Ziploc bags with ingredients and snacks that you need. They're perfect for kids as well because it really holds the bag open and definitely eliminates spills and messes. They even fold down completely flat so you can just store them away really easily. The little clasps just hold the bag tightly so you can load it all up and pack everything you need. It's pretty much just having an extra set of hands to do half of the work for you. So if you're busy, you're packing a bunch of lunches every day, you're always using little Ziploc bags, you definitely need these little bag openers. They're gonna save you time and definitely make life that much easier. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you some ideas on ways that you can better your home and your lifestyle. I'm always looking for affordable products that are really going to help solve problems around my home, and these products definitely do that. So let me know down below in the comments which one of these products do you absolutely need to start implementing into your home. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have your notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!